Okay, this is the TOS SN71, serial number 07115-74408, new in 1974. It's 28-inch swing, 37.5 in the gap by 60-inch centers. You can see here the ways, very, very clean, no scoring at all. Removable gap, 4-jaw Cushman chuck. You got an Analam 1-axis DRO, a Loris tool post. That's a 3-jaw chuck. The face plate, dog plate, some tooling. You have the center for the headstock in there. Okay, Angel, you want to give it a run? Oh, also you have the 2 steady rests down below. Steady rest and follow rest. He's running it right now. Okay. Stopping, reverse. He's changing the speed to higher RPM. He's got it threading. By the way, that's a micrometer carriage stop. He just engaged the half nut. He's threading. He's got the cross feed going right now, which you can see on the DRO. You have 1-axis Analam DRO. He's going the other direction. We reversed it from the carriage. Okay. That's longitudinal feed. You can see the larger hand wheel turning there.
Same thing as the reversal?
Same thing. You reversed it. Let's go in the other direction. Okay. Tailstock. He's putting out the and putting it in. By the way, that's a live center in the tailstock. There's also a. I showed that. I guess you put it up at a higher speed just to show it run. There's another speed. Another speed. And that's a higher range speed. So you saw a bunch of different speeds. You saw it feed, you saw it thread, you saw the DRO work, you've seen the tooling. Oh, let me show you that. That's your follow rest and your steady rest there. Oh, and the serial number of the machine is stamped in right there. And I think you've seen about it all. Oh, I'll cover this so you can see the hole. There's your hole in your spindle. And Angel's going to open up the door there. That's your threading gears, and those are your extra gears. Okay? Thank you.